We're going to talk about 4 things that are signaling to you now is the time to buy gold. Inflation is rampant. Interest rates are gone crazy through the roof. Guys, it is something out there. Hard to get a living, make a living rather. It's just so expensive to live. But before we get into all of that and the 4 signs that tell you it's time to buy gold, if you haven't already subbed the channel, please give us a sub. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, just like that. Give us a comment. Hey, give us a share if you want. And please watch the video to the end. It would really help the channel out. So, everyone has been facing economic battle of inflation, of the repercussions of it. Things have gone up so much. Our basic needs, eggs, for example. I've seen eggs range from before the start of the past couple of years, like $1, and now I've seen them go up as high as $6, $7. That's just crazy. That is runaway inflation. It makes it hard to buy gold. It makes it hard to buy anything, really. You want to live. The cost of borrowing cost. Yeah, that's right. It costs you more money to borrow money now, too, because the feds have raised the interest rates. Along with, they're trying to sit there and say, if we raise the interest rates, it will curb down inflation. Well, guys, it hasn't been working. The interest rates are the highest they've been in decades. Well, investing in the precious metals in September has been an all-time high interest in it. In September of 2023, that's right. Precious metals have also broken numerous records this year in 2024, underlying the interest in this unique investment vehicle. So right now may be the time that you want to buy gold. Now, a lot of you aren't really sure, is this the time to buy gold? Is it not? Well, we're going to talk about the 4 things that we think, the 4 signs that we think may signal you it's time to buy. The first thing we're going to talk about is volatile assets. How much weight in your portfolio are your stocks and bonds, which are very volatile? Now, given they do pay a dividend, you want to keep some money in them. Not all stocks will pay a dividend. However, some do. But the problem is they go up and they go down very, very quickly. Your gains and losses are erratic. They're volatile. So this is where gold comes in. It can, I guess you could say, stabilize your portfolio. And that may be a good sign to sit there and say, hey, maybe I should buy some gold. Maybe I should put some in my stack. Gold can maintain its value, where other assets, they tend to be shaky like your stocks. So it can even grow in price. It has had a consistent growth this year and in the previous years. You go back as far as, 2003, gold sitting at about $203 an ounce. That's a tenth of what it is now. Granted, it has gone up way high, up to 2000 and down, and then back up since then. But now it's sitting at all-time highs. It's sitting just below $2,400 an ounce, which is really cool. So what you're going to want to remember when you do decide to put gold in your stack, you don't want to get overly cautious. You don't want to put too much in there. Most experts recommend at or around 10% maximum in your overall portfolio. So that is the first thing we're going to cover. The second thing we're going to talk about is how inflation is still hurting everybody. That's right, it is expensive. It's recently plummeted off of its decade high in 2022, but guys, it's still a problem. It has ticked up multiple times this year in 2024, and everybody financially is hurting. It's a sign gold can help. That's right, gold can help because gold hedges against inflation. When the purchasing power of the dollar gets softer, gold goes up. It's, yin and yang, however you want to look at it. It is cool. So until this inflationary cycle is over, it may be a good idea to put some gold in your portfolio because it's the buffer that you need against economic conditions in your portfolio. Because as I said in the first thing, stocks are volatile, gold is stable. Third thing we're going to talk about is the price of gold moving quickly. Now, gold, as I said, is not a reliable income. It's not a dividend paying investment. You're not going to make money. You're going to hedge against your inflation. But there are rare times where gold, like, I don't know, the beginning of 2024, gold was 2,000. Now it's almost 2,400. That's a 20% raise. There are those rare times where you can make money off of gold. But remember, gold is the long-term investment. It is the hedge. It is important to hold long-term. Now, if you did, say you bought enough gold and now it's went up that 20%, it threw your portfolio out of balance. Maybe, I wouldn't, but maybe you could rebalance your portfolio and get it back down to at or around that 10% max. I kind of go up on mine, but I don't recommend anybody. So you always need to monitor the gold price conditions slowly, because it will go up and down quickly at times. So keep your portfolio balanced. The number 4 reason what we're going to talk about is how easy it is to get started in gold. Now, not everything you invest in is easy. I mean, real estate's a little hard. For example, it requires months to find a property, months to close on the property. Whether you're for buying and whether you're selling it, it's still the same process. It takes months to find a buyer, months to close. It's just long. You can buy gold easily. You can buy it in 1/10 ounce forms. You can buy it in half ounce, quarter ounce, 1 ounce form coin, 1 ounce form of bars. So it's real easy to buy, real easy to sell. You just take it to a local coin shop. Plenty of people will buy gold from you. You just have to shop around. As in the video I had made earlier, it says don't buy gold until you watch this video. Watch that video so you can see what you should do about selling your gold. So definitely look around for a good buyer. So another thing I'm going to throw in here is a bonus. Now, I didn't say nothing about this, but this to me is a kind of a bonus of why you should buy gold. Now, not a lot of people have it sitting around, excess amount of cash. Cash is fiat, is, I guess you could say, worthless. But what you got to remember is if you have an excessive amount of cash, this is the 5th reason, the bonus sign why you should buy gold now. If you have cash just sitting around more than that 6 to 9 months worth of bills, buy some gold, because your cash is going to lose money, whereas your gold will not. So again, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a share, give me a like, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.